very good morning here at the happiest place on earth. We are back again here at Disneyland. It is a Sunday and so far crowd levels are pretty light, but in this video we are highlighting all the new rides that have recently reopened. We got the Jungle Cruise, Matterhorn, Bud Lightyear Astro Blasters, and the Jungle Cruise has a bunch of new scenes that we are definitely gonna have to check out. A lot has changed here even since just the past visit in June, so now masks are required back indoors and on certain attractions, but that's not gonna stop us from having a magical day here at Disneyland. And we are going into Adventureland. While we're here, we'll definitely go check out the all-new Jungle Cruise.
And I'll be your skipper, you know, for as far as we can. It seems as though some of these gents have taken over part of Skipper Felix's boat. And, you know, that one's got a mic. Let's get in a little closer. And, no, we did not leave them to see my little car. And there's only one thing. Wonder of the world. Give a round of applause to the backside of water. Woohoo! Oh, you ate! Oh, you ate!
Okay, we just got off the Jungle Cruise, and as you saw, there are all these new fun scenes, which is Disney's attempt to include more diversity and inclusivity into the ride, and I think it adds really well to the Jungle Cruise's humors. Okay, so we are at that point in the day where the neck fan is out. It's definitely heating up. You know, I always like to say, like, who needs a chiropractor when you got the Matterhorn right behind it? This is back pain fun. Another ride that recently reopened. I want to know down in the comments, are you team Tomorrowland side or team Fantasyland side? I know I love both sides. I don't know which one we're gonna go on. We're about to find out soon. I'm here with Maddie.
Hi.
How ready are you to go on Matterhorn?
I've been needing a visit to the chiropractor, so this is good.
Con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos bajo.
We're on the Fantasyland side. Here we go. I forgot how rough this ride is. Here we go. My back is in pain. That was not smooth, that was not relaxing, but it was magical in its own unique way. So glad that. All right, we made our way to the other side of the park here in Tomorrowland to check out another ride which recently reopened, one of my personal favorites. Anyone who knows me knows I'm super competitive, and so I've been dying to get back on Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters, which is right behind me. I'm a little rusty. I had to look up some tips, and remember, diamonds, triangles, and Emperor Zurg's chest in the final scene are the key to getting a very high score. Let's see if we can break 1 million points.
I want to shoot the finest robots and his secret weapon and plasma.
I got my own card in hopes it would make it easier, give me a little bit of advantage. We're on left side, best side. 1 million points, here we come. Okay, so we're a little rusty. It's been a while. I forgot where to shoot. But you know what? I did better than I expected. All right, we just finished up dinner here at Carthay Circle Restaurant in California Adventure. I gotta say, it was absolutely amazing. I got this tender, juicy pork chop. It was 16 ounces. Somehow I finished all of it. And then we topped it off with this apricot cake. I've never eaten here. This was my very first time. And so to eat here was probably one of the best dining experiences I've ever had at a Disney park, and I've eaten at Club 33. Like, it literally rivals Club 33, so something to definitely check out now that the dining room is open. You could do the alfresco tasting terrace, you could do the main dining room. You're in for a good treat, very pricey treat, but if you're looking to treat yourself, Carthay Circle is the way to go. Okay, so it is now the next day. We are starting our day here at California Adventure, and you know what? It's starting to warm up, so in order to get our morning off to a great start, we are here on Grizzly River Run. I do not have a poncho. Also, the lockers to put your stuff in aren't working right now, so we'll see how drenched we get. The start of our day, so if we get wet, hopefully we dry off. But it's hot, and I think a good drench, a good spritz, a good squirt on Grizzly River Run will cool us down quite a bit. Oh no. Oh no. It's It's dark. It's dark. I don't like it. Here comes that first drop. And I don't like that I'm facing backwards. Oh no! Okay. That wasn't too bad. I don't like it. We survived. We made it through Grizzly River Run. I'm a little wet, but not too wet. I think it's a good cool off for today. Why do you need a lightsaber when you can have a churro? You know, you can buy, how many churros? You can buy like 40 churros for the price of one lightsaber. I don't know where I'm going with this.
And you're watching Disney
Oh my
Channel.
god. Look at who I ran into. So we did not coordinate this, but I found my friend Rena here at Disneyland. Her place, my place.
It's been good. It's been sweaty. We've been running around. I can't talk. We've been running around a lot.
Yeah.
I'm showing my friend around because it's her first time here.
Best time. So great seeing you, Rena. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of our fun Disney vlog. Be sure to stay tuned because we got more Disney content. We have a character breakfast at Storytellers, and head over to Austin Castro TV on TikTok for like the million TikToks I shot over the last 2 days.
Has me in it.
Yes.
The old ones, not the new ones.
The new ones. The old ones.
I love the fans.
If you did like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe and bell button below, and I will see you next time on the internet.
I feel like a parent bringing out their child for the first time, showing them as much as plus they can in a day.
I love that. And are you vlogging today?
Not really. I filmed some stuff, but I was like, I feel like I've gotten a lot of content lately.